You asked for these manifestation codes, and here they are. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candace if you're new here, and on this channel we talk about manifestation, law of assumption, and personal development. My most watched video on my channel is about healing, manifestation, numbers, and codes. So I had thousands of comments asking me, what is the code for this? What is the code for that? So from those comments, I picked some out and used them for today's video to give you the code that you asked for. Stick till the end because maybe the code that you've been longing for is in this video. So with these manifestation codes, what I love to do is to add a powerful affirmation after I've said the code. And the powerful affirmation always starts with, I am happy and grateful now that. And then you fill it in whatever your desire is. So I'm gonna show you how to do it and give you the code. For this first comment, the code for convincing parents to agree to you, the code is 9496729. 9496729. And then you're going to say, I am happy and grateful now that my parents agreed to whatever the situation is for you. Make sure you say the code and the affirmations as much as you desire to say it. There's no particular amount of times you need to say it for these types of codes. So get in that feeling mode and say it as many times as you feel is needed in your life. Next code is for effective studying and good grades. So the code for this is 212-585-212. Realize that there are spaces in this one. 212-585-212. For this, you're going to say, I am happy and grateful now that I have great grades, I'm really good at studying, whatever it is for you. The next code is to lose weight. This code is 481-2412. 481-2412. And for this one is, I am happy and grateful now that I have lost this amount of weight, be specific. Now let's do the one for weight gain. This code is 229-808-33. 229-808-33. After you said this manifestation code, I want you to say this affirmation. I am happy and grateful now that my weight is whatever it is. I've gained this amount of weight, whatever it is you want in this situation. The next code is desired height, and it goes like this. 630-723-873. 630-723-873. Then you're going to say, I'm happy and grateful now that I am my desired height, whatever it is. You are 5'3", you are 6'1", whatever it is for you. The next code is to gain more clients. Maybe you have a business and you want to get more clients. Here is your manifestation code. 424-103-281. 424-103-281. I am so happy and grateful now that I have 100 new clients and they buy from me consistently. Whatever it is for you, fill in that blank. The next code is to eliminate dialysis. This code is 298957011. 298957011. And for the affirmation, you're gonna say, I'm happy and grateful now that my dialysis is gone. I am healthy, I am secure, I have a healthy body, whatever it is for you. The next code is to restore family relationships. Maybe you don't get along with your parents or your sister, your brother, or your great aunt, whatever it is. This is to restore family relationships. 285555901. 285555901. Then you'll say, I am happy and grateful now that I have an amazing relationship with my brother, with my mom, whatever it is for you. The next code is large sum of money unexpectedly. Now I've used this number and it works tremendously for me, so I want you to use this manifestation code. The code is 520-741-8988. 520-741-8988. For the large sum of money, you're going to say, and you want to unexpectedly say, I am happy and grateful now that money comes to me easily, effortlessly, peacefully, quickly. Whatever that means for you, say it. I am happy and grateful now that. The next code is friendship. If you want to manifest more friends in your life, you want better relationships, you want girlfriends, guy friends, whatever it is for you, use this manifestation code, and it goes like this: 8901-678-91481. 8901-678-91481. You're gonna say, I am happy and grateful now that I have an amazing friendships with amazing people that are like-minded individuals. Whatever it is for you, say, I am happy and grateful now that. Okay, powerful creators, those are the codes I have for you in this video. Comment below if you need a code, your manifestation code. I'm gonna do my best to help everybody, and maybe we'll make another video with more codes in it. Let me know if you would like that. Don't forget to use your affirmations when you're using these manifestation codes as well. And the powerful creator of this video is Ray Axe. I hope I said your name right. Ray Axe, thank you so much for your love and support on this channel, for following. It means so much to me. I love your comments, and I'm so thankful you're a part of this community. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment the secret word below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for daily affirmations, and if you like this video, you like my next video on how to manifest with healing numbers, go watch that video so it helps you manifest and use your affirmations and use these codes and angel numbers, all the above, to bring in your desires. Thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day, powerful creators.